by a bear? I'll check out that map. Worth memorizing before we get swallowed up by the trees.
I should take a look at that map. I think I hear someone. Could be our deputy.
I can go take a look.
Hey, over here. Hey there. Agent Casey, right? Sheriff Breaker said you'd be coming by to take over the case.
You're half right. Anderson?
Saga Anderson. I'll be leading this case. Seems you already know my partner, Alex Casey.
Shoot. Sorry about that.
Were there any witnesses?
Yeah, couple out-of-towner.
I want to see the body. How do we get there?
Oh, sure, that's real simple. Just...
Before we get to the crime scene, there's time to review the facts of the case so far.
Anyone here?
Federal Bureau of Control. All these years I've been looking for them and they were hiding in plain sight.
Hello? Hey, excuse me. Got it.
I've done enough night shift loner jobs to know it makes us come off weird. Ahti the janitor is a friendly face in my book.
Anyone here?
Yeah, I see it. But what is it? I can feel it. It resonates. The things you show me, my friend, I forget. It's all in my head. There's no you, right?
Hello? Hey, excuse me. Elevator, got it.
I've done enough night shift loner jobs to know it makes us come off weird. Ahti the janitor is a friendly face in my book. Where's everybody? I need someone to point me in the right direction.
El código de vuelta de contaminación del aire es morado. Las personas mayores han de permanecer en sus casas.